Welcome back to Unbox.
Welcome back.
This little octopus has been featured on some of our episodes. It's usually indicative of apparel.
Clothing, functional.
Yeah, functional yet fashion.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Ooh.
Okay.
As the prophecies foretold.
Oh my gosh. Oh baby. Okay, let me just squat down here. Never have we ever had a sweater. We've got a crew neck now. And our crew neck.
Does David need another black sweatshirt? Yes, as a matter of fact, he does.
And it says ship in 6.
If you wear this, it means that you're hip to the idea that you should build things step by step, a little bit at a time with flexible scopes. Ship something frequently, ship something in 6 weeks. This is how people know. We put the logo up high so people can see it on your webcam so they know that you're down. Damn, Zach Yarrington. Thank you. See you next time.
Bye.